This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Ford Flex. It features a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a 4-wheel independent suspension, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, dusk-sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. The Ford's pre-owned certification includes a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Don Gasgarth Charlotte County Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3156 Tamiami Trail in Port Charlotte.